got sound like this. You got sound. So the sound is come from the grip. Macam mana nak hilangkan bunyi ni? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello to everybody. So today what? Sorry, long time never make a video. Quite busy. Okay, very sorry, I'm quite busy. So today after strum this racket, selepas menarikin racket ini, mau ketuk, I hit the string and then got sound. Okay, got sound. This is not string sound, you know. So normally all racket, okay. Normally all racket, okay. Normally all racket got like this, okay. Any brand, lot of brand, okay, got sound like this. You got sound. So the sound is come from the grip, okay, from the grip. Today I want to show how to settle, okay. Hari ni saya mau tunjuk macam mana nak hilangkan bunyi ni. Dengar. Macam mana nak hilangkan bunyi dekat handle, okay. Sometimes kita racket lama-lama, okay. Racket lama-lama ada bunyi tu, okay. Sometimes all racket got this sound, okay. Got this problem. So today I share with you how to settle the sound, okay. Macam mana nak settlekan, nak hilangkan bunyi ini, okay. Normally dia bunyi ini dalam ni, dekat dia punya sharp, right. Close up sikit. So nombor satu, first of all, take out the grip, okay. Wow, this one very old racket, okay. Very good old racket, Sorry, this one I not told you that this racket not good. No, this racket is old already. So inside got sound, okay. Ini tak ada bersangkut paut pada brand ini, Brand lain pun ada, okay. Brand lain pun ada masalah ni. Semua brand ada, kadang-kadang kebanyakan lah racket yang lama-lama, brand lama-lama semua ada masalah ni. Dia ada bunyi dekat sound dia, dekat racket dia. Very old racket, very old grip. So the sound come from the handle, okay. Bunyinya datang dari handle, bunyinya datang dari dalam handle ni, okay. Dalam handle ni nombor satu, kita first of all kita buka dulu ni, take out. Okay, one. Wah, take out dia ni. Semua dah expired dah. Dia punya apa? Dia punya the screw also done gone already. The nail also, you see. Wow. Gone. The name also karat. See, it's from here. The sound is come from here. Bang. That. You see? You see? Sometimes screwdriver, sometimes this one is some got metal inside here. So we find another one. Take out another one. Clean inside here. Bersihkan dalam ni, Dalam ni yang buat bunyi tu, yang keluarkan sound tu dalam ni. Kita cuba bersihkan yang dalam ni, dia keluarkan bunyi kan. So tak ada bunyi lagi. Bila tak ada bunyi lagi, when do I have sound anymore? The sound is gone. So put back the grip, okay? Put back the grip. So this one is gone already. All the nail on karat already. Okay, you just put a new nail. Okay, a new one, right? Hopefully it can hold. Okay, put a new tape. Extra a little bit, put a new tape. Okay, dia pakai cover grip apa ni? Ya. Towel.
Towel.
Haha. See this thing. Ow. Sorry. Okay, done already. Because you must wash your hand. Because if not, the new grip will be dirty. Alright. So we put a new grip. Put a new. So you plan here. What color ya? Oranye. So no more sound, okay? You see? No more kok sound. So macam tu lah caranya nak settlekan benda belakang ni. Maknanya dalam tu ada benda. So the thing is this one, you see? The sound. Tengok, dengar. different model racket, different inside here. Sometimes the screwdriver, sometimes wood. So depend on what brand, okay? Depend on what brand. But the problem almost the same. The problem is almost the same. Okay, so the racket is now become new. No sound already. Okay, new tension, new string, and then new grip. So the racket become new, right? So, it's settled. The problem is settled. Okay, that's all kita punya perkongsian. That's all our tutorial today. How to remove the sound of your racket. Okay, terima kasih banyak. Sorry. Hari ni di kelang kabut punya video sikit, tak ada masalah. So janji apa yang saya nak bagi tu you all dapat. Okay, today the video is like the hanky-panky, but what I want to tell you, I hope you all understand, okay? Harap semua understand, okay? Saya cakap dua bahasa, saya tak buat dua video dah. So sorry kalau yang suruh saya cakap orang putih tu, sorry. Saya apa yang suruh cakap orang Melayu tu pun, sorry, okay? I hope everybody understand what I want to talk, what I want to tell, okay? Bye bye, I love you all.